Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Phylogenetic classification, and this is of the cerebellum. So first is the archicerebellum, paleocerebellum, as well as neocerebellum. So we start with the archicerebellum. Archicerebellum is nothing but the oldest part, and the lobes includes the flocculonodular lobe, so FN, as well as the lingula. Next is the main connection. What does it include? The main connection, it includes the vestibulocerebellum. And what will be the nuclei? The nuclei, if you see, it is the fastigial nuclei, and the function is it includes the maintenance of the body equilibrium. Now let's look at the paleocerebellum. So paleocerebellum, you have the lobes. Lobes includes the whole lobe, whole anterior lobe is present, and except the lingula. Next is the pyramid and the uvula also. Then comes the main connection. So what are the main connections? It is the spinocerebellum. So spinocerebellum is present. Then you have the nuclei. Nuclei is interposed. It is interposed in glomus embolism. The function is it maintains the muscle tone as well as the finer control of the movements. Next is the neocerebellum. So neocerebellum is nothing but the most recent part, and the whole posterior lobe except the pyramidal and the uvula. So posterior lobe, exception is the pyramid and the uvula. The main connection is the cortico-pontocerebellum, and the nuclei, if you see, it is a dentate nuclei, and the function is the fine coordination and of the voluntary movements. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.